tinted windows.
Oh. Who are your friends?
I don't know his name, but I know his name. Hey guys, are you going to help me?
Yes, I've seen that.
No same person.
Well, I think it's possible.
Ringing. Ringing. Ring, ring. Tick tock, tick tock. Wow.
We'll attempt to get it back without wet feet.
Good luck with that.
So let's try. So is it touch and go or a take off or a mix of both?
I'll see how things go.
Wow, just throw it up in the air and it flies. Your camera mounts hooked up if you need it.
Thanks.
Yeah, I don't know whether it's skatable or not, but I mean, if I had another 2 or 3 people there, I would have skated out to the edge and see it. Yeah. Last time we skated here, the whole lake was like that.
Plane skating, that's cool. Oh wow, that's awesome.
Would it take off from the water?
Probably too much.
I mean, if
That
you
was good.
chugged across the water and then got
Got
onto
away
the
with
ice.
it that time. I don't think I'll push my luck.
Oh no!
I've got it on video too. Well done.
Matagouri.
Ben?
I'll have a quick look at it before I do.
Yeah.
The rear end looks like it might be... No, it's in order.
Is that how your one's meant to fly, Joe?
No apparent damage.
That's good.
It's had worse
the
crashes.
Any change in its trimming?
Seems to be.
There is a change.
And he decided we're going to go and fly it to Burnside Park. Coming out there, you can throw it up in the air. So you threw it up, I ran along, threw it up in the air, and went up in this huge loop, and it just ploughed straight in the ground and broke up for a little bit. Even made a styrene, it's going to hurt.
I can't fly them at all.
You just like finding the big ones, don't you?